Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now watch your ear right now. If you know by now, you're supposed to know by now. Either by how I look, or you might see the belly, or you might see a video, or you might see something, but I'm expecting and because I'm not fit me well, right? So this I went in the pool going in here, so thank God the chair is low, me can't up on the high chair anymore because I feel I feel can't see the belly. It has to be hidden. And me not doing here because me not gonna wear, right? So I have to draw off one little headband wig. You can check this out in my Amazon storefront. Link is in the description box below. But I first me enjoy it we can pull up my hair yesterday. I say I have some stuff to unbox and me can't make them stay there because I plan for them my ear no time soon. Right? So I'm just drawing this right now for the two video. And yeah. So welcome back to my channel, people. So I'll be doing this video after this. This is mystery box, mystery unboxing. I'm not too sure when are some of them. I think I may buy a 1 and 2 package. That's probably here or the next video, but I'm not sure. But I know that some things are sent to me, and I'm very eager to see what was sent to me. And as usual, listen with this. Mic check. All right. So let's begin. This washing on the table a while ago, so let us clear it out. All right. So let me start with this. Since it's on the table, we know I had this already. Yeah, but I'm gonna start with that one. Yeah. Why is it not supposed to know I'm going? Because my videos before this when I was in Florida, baby shopping. Okay, I'll take you. Alright, so I put this one on the ground. Me buy them? I don't even know. Alright, so me can't tell you when of this. Because what my brand send it. Adult stuff. I also me buy this? I think so. Yeah, I think we need it for the hospital. Right? So it's to store breast milk in. So they claim the one without the nipple must be better, I don't know. So I bought that because I have to bring it, and I also have the manual pump. So I bought this one because I have the manual pump in this brand. They can't pronounce the brand. Lancino. I'm gonna mispronounce it, but as usual, you know the drill. Every time I show now, it depends on Amazon storefront. I get upgrade. Girls, Amazon influencer. No, I have my own. Oh my God, I'm too nervous, girl. I have my own Amazon storefront now. So the things I'm ever buy, either foolishes are I like. Maybe no foolishes there. Things on my like are listed. So the things on me use and like are listed there. Alright? So the one that I approve of are on the Amazon storefront, as well as some stuff that the brand may send me. Okay? So I had one of these before. It's like when you fry like chicken with enough oil or them something there, or not just chicken. Like you fry stuff and you want to reuse the oil per se, you can strain it. You can strain it on my one. You can strain it and you can store it in this. So I had one before, but I had to throw it out. I had it a very good while too, to be honest. Let me show you. So all it's not good to throw. It's not good to throw like oils in your sink. I can clog it up and cost enough money for plumbing. So like I was saying, the bending now work. Anyways, we'll proceed without that. So you can pour it in this probably pour it outside or you know what? No, not follow me. I don't know the proper way for this to get rid of grease, but those don't treat in your kitchen sink. Alright, so you can strain it. So these are very fine oils. These are fine the one I had before. So you can put it in it like this, and you pour the oil, and you can cover it. May I know what that for? Probably for rest it so on the counter or drop. We can't take that right now, to be honest. So it's a good thing to have for the kitchen. Alright. What is what is this? I don't know what's this. What's this? Oh, I found something. No, oh my god. Should you pull it in? I think I know what's this. Hold on. I can't see that for this purpose. Somebody struggle. Alright, so oh, this is cute. I didn't ask for this color, but anyways, I'm still grateful. So, you know, the little ones them that are walking, I just learn how to walk, right? And they're going to fall. And just start out to walk, right? So this is I have to go put a picture in the frame overlay because it's vacuum sealed. I'm gonna put it right now. Okay? So it protects them from hitting their head back. Right? So it's like like a little knapsack. You might see it on Instagram or somewhere. So a brand sent me this for my little one. So yeah, it not pull right now. This now, I must pull this now. This might do some changes in the house. Doing some changes. I need counter space. So I bought a different type of dish drainer basically. So what am I get sponge out the backside? But now I take it out, you know. I gotta just turn this. You see sponge and free sponge to what that? So I gotta change out the one I have now. That is a 2-tier. When the rave was going on, I was not part of it. I was more old school, so I bought the regular one, tier one. But now I need some shelf space to put like the baby bottle washer and so forth. So I'm hoping this not so wide, or make so I can have a little space so I can put the baby washer there. You get what I mean, alright? So I don't know, I can set this up and show you if you want. You can let me know in the description box below. I'll do it just the same because as you may know and realize, I have a backlog of videos. So you're probably watching from about October last year. And it's now April. Okay? Yes. So I'll still do the video, probably post it same way. I don't know. But give me a second. Alright, I only have two more. I only have two more packages left for this video. Because I'm really trying. I know I'm gonna explain something. Quick, let's talk real fast. Alright? So I know a lot of persons or some persons always ask for shorter videos. Right? The thing is, for me, we get enough stuff. We kinda reduce the amount of stuff I'm getting now, but in the past, I think I post a few videos. I have like over 20 packages that come to me to review, to unbox. Majority were from brands, right? Mind you, I purchased stuff myself, but majority was really brands. Alright. So I don't want to buy a box and in my house. Me I like clutter like that. See, I'm me I like the mess. Me I like, and then me want to see what in it. I'm very inquisitive. I really want to see what they sent to me. So before me just see that me do the whole 20 in one video, now me try to split the shipment in two, but I do the video the same day. So let me check this now. So like what I'm doing a video now, I have to go change all them something there, lad. I have to go change. I was no. Oh, guys, that is a hassle. People try to get close to fit me, right? Then figure struggle for take out this and put on something else. So it's a lot. But these, I hope you realize, you wouldn't want to see this now, but you're not going to see the improvement. I've decided to split the shipments then in 2, 3, whatever. It depends on how much come to give you guys shorter videos. So I try to make it reach 20 minutes. We try to get like a 15, like a 30, like a 10, sometimes below the 10. Depends on what I have for sure now. Right? So we'll have to leave, and I think it's a good timing. If you never ramble on now, would have done already. Okay? So please bear with me. Now some long video, some short video. Just bear with me, please. Alright, so this, oh God, good thing. See? It's a good thing. Say, me say my do the video today. This brand, they send me them stuff and it due in 2 days. I'm not one day I get it, I'm never sure. Because these things may get the tracking number all the time. Right? So this is a wearable breast pump. Yeah. How about this really ask, huh? Anyway, it's a wearable breast pump, right? Can go in the bra and so forth, and ease to pour the milk afterwards. I will have to do a proper unboxing and demonstration on TikTok because this video is due like 2 days. I'm gonna have to go get the video out to send to them. Alright. So as usual, check me out on all socials at Petals Discovery, Petals _ Discoveries, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everything. Like, follow, share, everything. Please and thank you. So check me out over there for this. We can't go no further because we need to do the video. This now, me curious about this. Me know what I eat. Hold on. Right. Oh, this was also sent to me. I did not know they were going to send it to me. This is Unmo extra large wooden stacking blocks. So you have 12 of this, which is small. 18 small, 12 medium, and 10 large. It's a 40-piece set. It's for kids from 1 year, just a 1 year, 12 months, 1 year and over. All right. So, man, just put this away for this one. Right. Okay. So we have unboxed everything for this video. Yeah. Yeah. Basically. So we've reached the end of this video, right? My trick. I want to thank you guys for watching. As I said before, please like, share, comment, subscribe. We need to please share and subscribe and like. When I like it, it push it out to more people. And we need the subscribers and to go. We need the views to go, we need the watch hours and to go. Not big please and thank you very much. We are asking for your help. Okay? It's free on your part. I just want to hurry to make YouTube start to pay me. Alright? Yes. I'm very transparent. Okay? Right. So check me out our TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I put stuff over Facebook, like links or deals or so forth. IG me post there. TikTok me the videos there. But the more focused videos on TikTok, like one product only. Alright, so product review on a minute. Yeah, that's a TikTok. If you want something too short, TikTok. I need to send some over to YouTube Shorts as well, so you can see the shorter version of my videos. Right, so thank you. I don't know what to say. I just say thank you. Gracias. You must say bye.